Here we've got a 992 Porsche LED matrix headlight. But as you can see, it's busted up. Car was in an accident. And luckily, after assessing it, the inner housing is untouched. Customer removed it before any water got in. There's a little bit of debris, of course. But we've got brand new lenses and we'll be able to swap the lens on this housing. It'll look factory fresh once we're done. And you'll save a ton of money with this service. So that's what we're aiming for. We've already been doing the service on many other models. The 911, the Cayman models, the Cayenne, the Macan, all really popular. So obviously this model is new, so the lenses aren't crazed just yet. But accidents happen, things happen. Obviously people go through insurance a lot, but ultimately, if you want to fix up the light and the lens is just cracked, we can definitely help. What's interesting is this light is actually made by AL. The previous ones were made by ZKW. So it's pretty cool to see they're using a new manufacturer for this, but yeah, we'll show you how this all looks once we get going on this. Okay, here's the light all taken apart. You can see all the original sealant has been scraped out. That's what we call a cold glue. You need to fully remove that before you replenish the channel with a headlight grade butyl sealant, which is a soft sealant that we use. So you can tell it's all been scraped out, and we blew out all the excess original sealant, little pieces and chunks. And now we're going to replenish the channel with a new sealant. So that's the final step. We'll put the housing into the lens and we can reseal this, and we'll show you how it all looks in a little bit. Okay, this is what that bead of sealant looks like. We use the Diodynamic sealant. It's just one bead, nice and consistent. And once the lens goes in, it'll provide a proper channel for everything to seat down in. Okay, this is all set. Factory gasket goes around the lens. We got the lens seated exactly where it's supposed to be. You can see these little channels. This lens is actually really nice. It's even got some markings on the lens, just like the original one. It might be hard to see in the video. But yeah, it looks factory fresh. Obviously, minimal damage inside the housing. There was a little bit of stuff that we couldn't remove since there was damage to the black chrome, but like it's minimal, and a normal person wouldn't be able to see any of that. I think as a whole, this came out amazing. Lens fit perfectly, gasket, everything looks just like it should be. So if you guys have any questions, reach out to us directly. You can find this listing in the description on our website. We'll be offering these services for the 992 community. And it's a way to save a lot of money, and we offer a quick turnaround time. So reach out to us. We'll be happy to talk to you. Subscribe to the channel. We appreciate your support.